Guys, what's going on? It's your boy Savik Graphics. In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can remove your background in just 3 seconds. Yes, 3 seconds. This video is coming out to those who are been struggling on how to remove their background. So if this video is for you, kindly follow. And if you are interested in this video, kindly leave a like.
So all you have to do is head up to your Google and then you type in remove.pg.com, hit on search, then you can see this is remove.pg. Let's remove background. You can click on it, then it will bring you to the environment. Yes, this is the environment of the site. Then what you do is you just click on this upload image here, then you can select any image, then say done, then automatically the background of that image will be removed. And note, once you are uploading any picture that is not of high quality, it will reduce the quality, so it's advisable you upload image that has high quality. Okay, so you can actually try this with some other stuff. I can say, let me try it on that image. Let me say upload image. Let me look for something. Let me try this with this done. Then you can see that's removed the background.